Hi, boys and girls. Are you ready for math? I hope so. Okay. And can we say hi to Miss Barrett again? She's ready to do math with us.
Here we go.
Okay. In your packets today, you have a number grid, and it looks like this. I'm going to use the great big one so that you guys can see. And you all recognize our hundreds chart. And today, we're just going to be practicing our numbers. We're going to practice different ways that we count. We're going to practice finding secret numbers. We're going to do all kinds of fun things. So, on my board, I can't draw on these, can I, with my crayon? Because then it'll always look like that. So instead of me drawing on my paper, I am going to put colored pieces of paper. Miss Barrett's going to put colored pieces of paper into the numbers that we want. So if I use a pink color, you're going to use your pink crayon and make a line over that number. Now don't color them all the way in, because some of your numbers are going to have maybe 3 lines on them by the time that we're done.
Yep.
Okay? So just make one line over that number. So first we're going to start by counting by 5s, and then we're going to count by 10s. And then we're going to identify, we're going to look at all of our teen numbers. We're going to look at numbers that start with a 3. That's the first number. And then we're going to do numbers that end with a 2. Are you ready? And don't go ahead of me because you don't know what color we're going to use. Okay, first let's start counting by 5. So everybody get your pink crayon. Boys, I know you don't want to get your pink crayon, but you got to get your pink crayon. And I know it's not as dark as mine, but this way you can see it on the camera. Here we go. We're going to count by 5s. So 5. Oh, thank you, Miss Barrett.
You're welcome.
5. Can you see my pink? So you should just have one line. Here we go. 5. This might take forever. Hang on. 5. 10. What comes next? 15. 20. Oh my. It's harder to get them in there than I thought. 5, 10, 15, 20. 25, 30, 35, it's stuck. If you guys were at school, you would probably be laughing right now.
Yeah, they would be.
Okay, 35, 40, better not be laughing at home.
I'm sure they are.
45, 50, we're halfway there, we're at 50, we're going all the way to 100. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, are you still with me? Are you in 75? It's a 7 and a 5, and it's a sticky one. 80, we're almost there. 85, 90, and 95, 100.
We made it.
All the way
That
to
was
100.
the longest one.
That was the longest one. Let's count. So I hope you have pink lines on 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very nice. Okay, now we're going to count by 10s. So what color do we need for 10s?
We are going to use blue for 10s.
Okay, so everybody get your blue crayon.
Blue crayon.
And so you can see when we count by 10s, you already have pink lines on those. So now you're going to do a blue line right next
to the pink, yes.
Here we go. Let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
Whoa. There we go.
80, 90.
When she bends them, it's hard to. There we go.
And 100. Okay, we counted by tens. You should have a pink line and a blue line on all of your tens. You can see some of them are the same as counting by fives, because 5 and 5 is 10, right? Okay, so by fives, by tens, now let's look at our teen numbers.
The teens.
Okay,
They're the trickiest ones, those teens.
and they are going to be yellow. And you know Mrs. Rogers doesn't really care for yellow when you write your name, but you can make yellow over your numbers. And the teen numbers, they all start with a what? With a 1. So you're going to see the whole row where all those numbers start with a 1. Are you ready with your yellow crayon? Here we go. We're going to start with 11, 12. Yeah, they do not want to go in there. 12, 13, 14. See, teamwork.
That's right.
15, 16, 17 is kind of stubborn. 18, 19. I'll just put it behind.
There we go.
And 20. And there, it already fits in there. Okay, so you can see we got all of our teen numbers, all the numbers that have a 1 in the beginning. 15 has a pink and a yellow. It's counting by fives and a teen. 20 has a pink, a blue, and a yellow. So you should just be having those nice straight lines over your numbers. Okay, Miss Barrett.
All right, so now we're doing
Are you ready to find all the numbers that begin with a 3?
with the 3. Begin with a 3. So that would
means that it comes first, so that's going to be the 30
30s.
family.
Here we go. We're
30s.
using purple. Purple is our color.
So make sure you have your purple crayon and you're making that straight line over the 30s. 31.
Oh, we need to start back up here, Mrs. Rogers.
Yes, we do. It was covered up by pink and
And
pink and
blue.
blue.
So we have 30, 31. That's all right. 32, 33. Thank you.
34.
34,
35. 36. 37.
38, and 39.
Now I have a quick question. We didn't finish the row, did we? Because it turns to 40. And 40 starts with a 4,
Yep.
not a 3.
Right.
Very nice. Okay, so we have all of our 30s covered. Shall we do one more?
Let's do one more.
Okay, we're going to do all of our numbers that end with a 2. A 2 is our last number.
All right.
And so the number 2, does that end with a 2? It's just a 2 by itself. Begins and ends with a 2.
That's right.
So let's go to 12.
12, all right.
A 1 and a 2 is 12. Oh, green. Have your
Yes,
green
green,
crayon out.
the green crayon for
Green
the
crayon.
2s.
12.
22, 32,
42, 52, one in there,
Yep.
52,
62,
72, we're almost there,
82, and
90.
92.
Very nice, that is a lot of counting. So, but use your number grid and practice counting those numbers. Okay, we'll do a couple secret numbers. Are you ready?
Ooh, do we get to pull our sticks for this
Yep.
one?
Miss
All right.
Barrett's going to pull your sticks, so be ready. Think about it. You can use your number grid. Okay, who's our first?
Our first one will be ledger.
Okay, Ledger, are you ready? I am looking for the number that comes between 43 and 45. So, I bet you got it already. But There's your 43. And here is your 45. What comes between 44?
Very good.
Good job, Ledger.
Well done.
Okay.
All right, AJ, this one's for you.
Okay, AJ. I'm going to pick a tricky one for you. Okay. What comes between 86 and 88? Ooh. Are you looking? Are you down in the 80 family? There's 86 and 88. What comes in the middle? See if anybody else can get it for AJ. Oh, 87.
Very good.
Very nice. Let's do one more.
One more. Okay, here we go. Brianna.
Okay, Brianna. Let's do one more, and let's do one in the teen family. What comes between 14 and 16? Find your 14. It has a yellow line on it. Your 16, it has a yellow line. And what comes in the middle? 15. 15. Very nice. Okay, boys and girls. Since we are finished with this one, thank you, Miss Barrett.
You're welcome.
You have one more paper in your packet, and it's counting pots of gold. And all you're going to do is you're going to count the coins. Like our first pot has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to write 10 on my little pot right here. And then let's count how many are in the next pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 plus 6. If I counted them all together, I have 3 choices down here. 13, 17, 16. Now what's 10 plus 6? What's 10 plus 6, Miss Barrett?
10 plus 6 is 16, Mrs. Rogers.
Ah, so you're going to find the 16 and color it in. I have blue, but you may choose whatever color you like. And do the same for all of them. If you're not sure about adding, just count all the coins. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And it gives you your answer.
That's right.
Okay, let's do your whole page and your number grid.
And do not forget your name.
Yes, for when you turn your papers back
That's
in.
right.
I know who it belongs to.
Yep.
All right, boys and girls, I hope you had fun. See you in a little bit for reading.